What if I told you could study artificial intelligence, medicine, or international business in the heart of Shanghai, completely free? No tuition, no insurance fees, just your ambition. This isn't a dream. This is the SUES International Scholar Program 2026, and applications are closing soon. Hi, I'm your SICA admissions guide. At Study in China Academy, we connect ambitious international students with life-changing scholarship opportunities. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the Shanghai University of Engineering Science 2026 Scholarship, one of the most affordable full-degree programs in China. Let's talk numbers. Standard international students pay 20,000 yuan per year in tuition, plus 800 yuan for insurance. But as a SUES scholar, you pay zero. That's right, full tuition waiver and free insurance for your entire degree. The only fixed costs? Under 2,100 yuan per year. That's roughly $300 annually for accommodation, resident permit, and medical checkup. Try finding that deal anywhere else in Shanghai. SUES offers 4 English-taught bachelor's degrees designed for global careers. First, artificial intelligence. Master the algorithm shaping tomorrow. Second, textile engineering, blending material science with industrial innovation. Third, medicinal chemistry, at the intersection of healthcare and chemical science. And fourth, international economics and trade, navigating the complexities of global markets. Every program is 4 years, fully English-taught, and designed to launch your international career. Your SUES journey spans 2 incredible campuses. Year 1, the urban immersion at Changning campus right in central Shanghai. This is where you'll adapt to Chinese culture, build your foundation, and experience city life. Years 2 through 4, you'll move to Songjiang campus, a dedicated academic hub in the university district. This is where deep research, advanced coursework, and collaboration happen. Best of both worlds. Here is your complete cost breakdown. No hidden fees, no surprises. Accommodation, just 1,200 yuan per year. That's about $170 for a full year, based on 4-person sharing. Resident permit, 400 yuan per year. Medical checkup, one-time fee of 400 to 450 yuan. First year only. Added up, your total fixed costs are under 2,100 yuan per year, roughly $290 annually. This covers accommodation, permits, and health requirements. Food and personal items are separate, but compared to Western universities charging $50,000 annually, SUES is a game changer. Here's the SUES scholar profile. Age 18 to 25? Check. Completed high school, grade 12, A-levels or equivalent. You're in, but heads up, admission isn't automatic. SUES conducts interviews and entrance exams to assess your merit. And once you're in, you'll need annual performance assessments to maintain your full scholarship status. They invest in excellence and they expect excellence back. Ready to apply? Here's your dossier. Group A, identity, valid passport and recent photo. Group B, academic, high school certificate, transcripts, English proficiency proof, and your study plan. Group C, health and legal, medical checkup report and police clearance. Group D, administrative completed application form and bank statement, showing $5,000. Proof you can cover living costs. SICA tip? Start gathering these now. Incomplete files won't be processed. Mark this date, June 15th, 2026. That's your submission deadline. From now until then, prepare your documents and bank statement. After June 15th, the university reviews applications. And September 2026, you start your journey in Shanghai. Critical note, seats are limited. This is competitive. Early application dramatically improves your chances. Shanghai isn't just China's financial capital. It's where East meets West, where innovation happens, where global careers begin. SUES gives you 4 years in this dynamic environment, with a degree that opens doors worldwide at a cost that won't bury you in debt. This is the opportunity SICA students dream about. Ready to secure your place? Don't navigate this alone. At Study in China Academy, SICA, we guide students through every step. Document preparation, interview coaching, application submission, and visa support. We've helped hundreds of students win scholarships just like this one. Scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description. Message us on WhatsApp right now, tell us SUES 2026, and we'll send you the complete application guide, deadline reminders, and connect you with a dedicated admissions advisor. Applications are open. Seats are filling. Your future in Shanghai starts with one message. Like this video? Subscribe for weekly scholarship alerts. Drop a comment with your target program, AI, textile, medicinal chemistry, or international trade. See you in Shanghai.